In 1914, Sir Ernest Shackleton embarked on one of the most ambitious expeditions in history. His goal was to become the first person to cross the entire continent of Antarctica on foot. He and 27 crew members set sail aboard the ship Endurance, believing they were on the verge of making history. But nature had other plans. Before they could even begin the crossing, Endurance became trapped in the thick sea ice of the Weddell Sea. For nearly 10 months, the crew watched helplessly as the pressure of the ice slowly crushed their ship. Eventually, it sank beneath the frozen ocean, leaving them stranded in one of the coldest and most isolated places on Earth. With no hope of outside rescue, the men survived by camping on drifting ice floes. They hunted seals and penguins for food, melted ice for drinking water, and endured months of darkness, freezing temperatures, and constant uncertainty. Shackleton's greatest challenge wasn't just keeping his men alive, it was keeping them hopeful. When the ice beneath them began to break apart, they escaped in 3 small lifeboats, eventually reaching the desolate Elephant Island, a place so remote that almost no ships ever passed nearby. Realizing that staying there meant certain death, Shackleton chose 5 men to join him on a desperate mission. In a 22-foot lifeboat named James Caird, they sailed more than 800 miles across the violent Southern Ocean, navigating towering waves, freezing winds, and hurricane-force storms using only basic instruments and remarkable skill. Against nearly impossible odds, they reached South Georgia Island, but even then, help was still far away. Shackleton and 2 companions crossed the island's unexplored mountains and glaciers entirely on foot before finally reaching a whaling station. After several rescue attempts blocked by sea ice, Shackleton returned for the men left behind on Elephant Island. Every single member of the expedition survived. Although he never completed his Antarctic crossing, Sir Ernest Shackleton became a legend. His leadership, determination, and refusal to abandon his crew transformed a failed expedition into one of the greatest survival stories ever recorded. History remembers many successful explorers. Shackleton is remembered because he brought everyone home.